Will DAJ or Jennifer, yeah, I'm going outside. I'm going to play a hilarious prank. This is going to be so funny. Yeah, I'm playing it on my neighbor. Anthony. Yeah, Anthony. They don't know I'm out here. Oh, he's over there. Oh my god, I just saw him walk. Anthony! Anthony! Anthony, come on! Anthony! She would like to see you in the cart. That's what she just told me. Come on, ride your little cart thing over here. Ride your cart thing over here.
Stealing my car.
He's got a better car. He's got a better car than you. Jennifer would like to see you in the car. Oh no. Yeah.
Get out!
His pants died. Did your pants die? Yeah, Jennifer.
He's trying to get out of here.
He died. Anyway.
Yeah, get this off of me. What? Get this off of me. Ow.
He died. Your jacket's so much. Dude, take off your jacket. Yeah, anyway. See ya! Yeah, that was so funny. So, anyway, I'm gonna make more.